I am here in bybit.com. Take note that to be able to create your API key on any of your crypto exchange, you must use the web version. If you are using the mobile app, you won't be able to see the option to create an API key. And also creating API keys, it is similar process in all crypto exchanges in case you are not using Bybit. So this is how to create your API key. You have to click on your profile icon and then navigate to API, or maybe you can see where there is account information in other exchanges. You can click on it, but find where you will see API. So I'm going to click on this API key. And also, if you're already familiar on how to create your API key, you can use the timestamp in the description of this video to navigate to other section of the video. You can see I already have my API keys right here created, and you can see the API key is visible while the API secret is not visible. So make sure that your API secret is secret, only known by you. So do not expose your API secret because it's a secret key. If someone have access to your API secret and your API key, they will be able to send instruction to your account, which is risky. And from here you can see that this my API key has expired. It is expired because I did not link IP address. Remember, back in our Argo client app, we copied this IP address. So we are going to link this IP address to tell our Bybit account to only accept requests from a server that is coming from that IP address. So I did not link my IP address. That is why it's expired. And you can see this specific API key, I did not link my IP address. That is the reason why it is remaining 79 days to expire. So we are going to click on create new key to create a new API key and click on system generated keys. From here you can add the name of your API key. Remember, you can create multiple API keys on the same crypto exchange. You can also create a sub account and create an API key to link to your multiple instances of your crypto index board. For now, I'm going to call this crypto index board. So you can name your API key anything just to be able to identify your API key. Make sure you allow write and read so that your bot will be able to read data from your exchange and also send a write instruction like sending execution instruction to execute trade and so on, also to close trade and so on. So click on read and write, and then click on only IP with permission granted are allowed to access the open API. In the case of Bybit, in other exchanges, you will see different options like restricted IP. So you have to paste the IP that you copied from the app.argoclient.com. So paste it right here. Sometime this IP, maybe the time you are going to watch this video, the IP might be more than one. Currently now it is only one IP, so you can just click on copy all and then paste it here. It's going to come with commas, but if it doesn't come with comma, you will have to add comma for each of the IP address. If you don't know how to do it, there's going to be a link in the description to click and join the official Discord channel in which you can interact and also see my own personal trade histories and also other information from different traders just like you. So I've pasted the IP address and I am going to grant my API key permission. So the permission you are going to grant your API key is going to be for trading. In Bybit, it is trade, unified trading, because Bybit supports unified trading accounts. If you are on Binance, you have to click on futures trading to allow you to trade on futures or any other exchange that you might connect to it in the future. So currently now with this unified trading, I can trade futures contracts, I can trade spot contracts and so on. Take note not to allow withdrawal from your API keys, because if you grant it access to withdraw, which is this one, funds can be withdrawn from your API keys. If by accident you lost your API key or you expose your API keys to anywhere, so take note not to allow this specific permission in your API keys. Your trading bot, like the crypto index bot, does not require this permission because it doesn't initiate withdrawal. It only sends trading instruction to your exchange. So when I am done with that, I am going to click on submit to submit it right away. And I am going to verify my security verification right away. So from this screen, you can see the name of my API key, my API secret. So I am showing you the secret because I am going to delete it right after this video. So take note not to expose your API secret to anyone. And your API key secret is only going to be visible once. So make sure that you copy it and save it somewhere, because in your Argo Clients app, it is not going to be visible. Once you paste it, you are not going to see your API secret. Just like this is not going to be visible. And then you will have to copy your API key and then paste it in the section of the API key. So it is only your API key that is going to be visible right here. Click on save. When you are done, some exchanges might require that you put trading password and also maybe trading or API passphrase. Take note that the trading password or passphrase is not your crypto exchange login password. If you are connected to an exchange that requires you to put a passphrase or a trading password, it is a specific password that is set during the time you've created the API key, or maybe the time when you set up your account and you have to log trading, and you only have to put the trading password to grant permission for trading. So take note of that for some exchanges that are going to be added right here. So if you don't have an account with Bybit, there's going to be a link in the description. Click on it to sign up on Bybit, or you can click on sign up on Bybit and other exchanges. There's going to be a button right here to click on it to sign up. This is a partnered link from Argo Clients to the exchange. So you can click on it and then sign up on Bybit or any other crypto exchange. So I'm going to click on save, and if everything is right, it's going to show Bybit exchange link successfully. So it means everything is right and I can go ahead to set up my bot and then start running my bot right away. After linking your exchange, you are going to see edit exchange in case you want to edit your exchange, and from here you can see is the API key that is available right here, and the API secret is not visible.